all of our layers open and we have to adjust them. We're going to put the Franken layer down at the bottom, and on top we're going to put the monster hair on top. Then we're going to use the move tool to move the Franken down to the bottom. And we're going to select all the other layers from monster all the way to green skin. And I select it, hold down the shift key and press green skin texture. Then I go to edit, transform, or actually free transform. And I can choose a bounding box created, and we want to make them about 50%. So I'm going to go up to the top bar, and the width I'm going to type in 50. So they're exactly 50%. After I'm selected, I'm happy with that, I press the commit or the check mark. Then I'm going to turn everything off and work on the green skin texture and the Franken layer. So I'm going to put the green skin over him, and I'm going to zoom in using Command plus to adjust the green skin. Select the green skin and then go edit, transform, free transform. And I can use my bounding box to adjust the skin accordingly to make it look just right. Once you're happy with that, you can double click or click on the check mark in the on the top bar.